Good day! Let's talk diffuser blends and which essential oils are good to diffuse together and which essential oils should be avoided using them together. Don't forget to subscribe wherever that button is at so that you don't miss out on my weekly videos on how to master your emotional and physical health naturally with essential oils. I often get asked, what oils should I diffuse together? Answer is a question because you need to know why are you diffusing? Is it because you want certain smells? And that's often where people will start with diffusers and diffusing is they're trying to get rid of the candles, the toxins, maybe the synthetic smells from those plugins, and they're wanting to go something natural, but they're not sure which oils to mix together to make it beautiful and how they want it to smell. Would be the first thing is identify is that why you want to do it? If it is, awesome. You have so many choices. You need to trust in some people who have put some blends together that they smell good. Down below, I have put together some common diffuser blends. I love these. These are go-tos. They smell great, and depending on what kind of mood you want to have, you can pick those. In addition to that, it can be, because we're all individual, we have certain smells that we like or dislike, it can be trial and error. So if you need samples, if you don't have someone supporting you with oils, I can send you some little sample vials that can help you to smell them before you buy them. Or with doTERRA, they have a great diffusing blend of oils. They have a kit where it's just specifically made for those who want them aromatically to be breathing them in. And so those are trusted ones as well. But there are 6 or 5 different categories of oils, of smells, categories of smells. So you have like your tree and your fir oils. So think out in the woods, do I want to have that kind of smell? A spruce, Douglas fir, is that the smell that you want in your home? And it might be a different season, different times, you have different smells that you want. Also, there's citrus oils, which are very uplifting. I love these for enhancing our mood within our home. And so think of lemon, lime, grapefruit. Those are all really good smells. Then you have your florals, which some people love, some people hate, but these really impact you emotionally, very deeply, and there are people who gravitate towards those. And then there's spice oils, so think of your cinnamon, your cardamom, and then also mint. So if you like minty things, your peppermint, your spearmint, and you can combine those together, but you're just thinking, do I want maybe a fir with a mint, so spearmint with a Douglas fir? Oh, smells so amazing. Trial and error, but also there are trusted recipes. Like I said, you download those. But if you're trying to diffuse to impact your emotions, then I would check out this video here because that will help you to understand diffusing and using oils emotionally. So in the download, there will be some that will impact you emotionally. All essential oils impact you emotionally. That's the one thing that I love about them is that even if you're just using it because you want that smell, you're going to have side benefits. Instead of negative side effects, you're going to have side benefits that will impact you emotionally. And then physically, if there's certain things that you're wanting to support, for instance, respiratory support. My son woke up with, little stuff going on in his sinuses. And so being able to put stuff in a diffuser that will help physically, but that also smell good in the home is good. So there's a great blend called Breathe that we swear by. We love that. And then the last question is, what should we not be diffusing together? And really, it's just those crap oils. I don't know how else to say it. Those cheapy oils that it seems like everyone's selling oils now, but if you understand the science behind them, that you don't want to be diffusing those, that those are toxic, number one, and then number two, they usually will have fillers in there that will clog your diffuser and they won't last very long, so you don't want to be diffusing those. Other than, maybe mixing some things that might not smell awesome together, they're not going to harm you or your diffuser if you're using quality oils. And that is why I chose to use doTERRA oils, because I know that they're most tested and the most trusted around the world. If I'm going to be breathing them in, putting them on my body, taking them in, I want stuff that's pure and potent. So you can click here if you want additional tips on how to use essential oils, if you want to check out how to create inhalers, which are super cheap and inexpensive to use, or how to diffuse or use those emotionally.